Welcome to Tactical Masters, your source for military aviation and defense analysis. Today we explore the Air Force and Air Defense Forces of the Republic of Belarus, one of Eastern Europe's most heavily defended military aviation forces. Founded on November 8, 2001, the service combines both Air Force and air defense responsibilities into a single command structure. This unique organization allows Belarus to coordinate fighter aircraft, helicopters, radar networks, and surface-to-air missile systems under one unified command. Belarus occupies a strategically important position between Russia and NATO member states such as Poland, Latvia, and Lithuania. Because of this location, the country places major emphasis on protecting its airspace and maintaining a strong air defense shield. Although smaller than many neighboring air forces, Belarus relies on modernized Soviet-era aircraft, advanced Russian-made fighters, and one of the most extensive integrated air defense networks in the region. The Belarusian Air Force and Air Defense Forces operate under centralized military leadership. The commander-in-chief of the armed forces is President Alexander Lukashenko, who oversees the country's overall defense policy and military strategy. The Minister of Defense is Lieutenant General Viktor Krenin, responsible for managing Belarusian military affairs and national defense planning. Direct command of the Air Force and Air Defense Forces is held by Major General Andrei Lukyanovich. He oversees combat readiness, pilot training, operational planning, air defense coordination, and modernization programs. The service works closely with Russia through a joint regional air defense framework, allowing Belarusian forces to coordinate air surveillance and defensive operations across a wider area. The MiG-29 remains one of the primary fighter aircraft in Belarusian service and continues to play a vital role in national air defense. Originally designed as an air superiority fighter, the aircraft is known for its agility, speed, and strong close-range combat capability. Belarus has upgraded a number of aircraft to the MiG-29BM standard, improving radar systems, navigation equipment, electronic warfare capability, and precision strike performance. The aircraft is regularly used for interception missions, air patrols, pilot training, and quick reaction alert duties. Despite its age, the MiG-29 remains an effective platform for protecting Belarusian airspace. The Su-30SM is currently the most capable combat aircraft in the Belarusian inventory. This advanced multirole fighter combines long-range air combat capability with precision ground attack performance. Equipped with modern radar systems, advanced avionics, thrust vectoring engines, and a large weapons payload, the aircraft can engage multiple targets simultaneously. The newer Su-30SM-2 variant introduces additional upgrades to sensors, communications, and combat systems. These aircraft significantly enhance Belarus' ability to conduct both defensive and offensive air operations while also strengthening interoperability with Russian forces. The Su-25 serves as Belarus' primary close air support aircraft. Designed specifically for battlefield operations, the aircraft is heavily armored and capable of surviving hostile environments while supporting ground troops. It can carry a wide range of rockets, bombs, guided weapons, and cannon ammunition. The Su-25 remains a valuable asset for attacking enemy positions, armored vehicles, and battlefield targets. Several aircraft also contribute to pilot conversion and operational training programs. The Il-76 is Belarus' primary strategic airlift aircraft. This large transport aircraft can move troops, armored vehicles, military equipment, and humanitarian supplies over long distances. Its ability to operate from relatively austere airfields makes it highly useful during military deployments and emergency operations. The Il-76 provides the country with an important strategic mobility capability. The Il-26 serves as a tactical transport aircraft supporting domestic logistics and military transportation missions. It is used for moving personnel, cargo, equipment, and supplies between military bases and operational locations. The aircraft continues to provide reliable support despite its age. The Yak-130 is the most advanced training aircraft operated by Belarus. Designed to prepare pilots for modern fighters such as the Su-30SM, it features advanced avionics and flight systems that simulate frontline combat aircraft. The aircraft allows student pilots to practice modern air combat procedures before transitioning to operational squadrons. In addition to training duties, the Yak-130 can also carry weapons and perform light attack missions when required. The Il-39 remains an important part of pilot training. It provides basic and intermediate jet training for future fighter pilots. The aircraft helps students develop essential flying skills before advancing to more sophisticated aircraft. The two-seat Su-27UB is used for operational conversion training. It enables pilots to gain experience on high-performance combat aircraft while receiving instruction from experienced flight instructors. The Mi-8 is the backbone of Belarus helicopter fleet. This versatile helicopter performs troop transport, cargo delivery, medical evacuation, disaster response, utility support, and search and rescue missions. Its reliability and adaptability make it one of the most valuable aircraft in Belarusian service. The helicopter continues to support both military and civilian operations throughout the country. The Mi-24 and Mi-35 attack helicopters provide Belarus with significant battlefield firepower. These helicopters combine troop transport capability with heavy weapon systems including cannons, rockets, anti-tank missiles, and machine guns. They are designed to support ground forces, attack armored vehicles, and engage enemy positions. Their combination of mobility, armor protection, and firepower makes them a powerful combat asset. The Mi-26 is the largest helicopter operated by Belarus. It is capable of transporting heavy military equipment, armored vehicles, engineering equipment, and oversized cargo. The helicopter's enormous lifting capacity allows it to perform missions that smaller helicopters simply cannot accomplish. It plays an important role in strategic transportation and logistical support. One of the greatest strengths of Belarusian military power is its extensive air defense network. The country operates a layered defense structure designed to detect, track, and destroy aerial threats at multiple ranges. The Strela-10 provides short-range protection against low-flying aircraft and helicopters. Its mobility allows it to accompany ground forces during combat operations. The OSA remains an important component of Belarusian air defense. Modernization programs have improved the system's effectiveness and reliability against modern threats. The Tor-M2K is among Belarus' most advanced short-range air defense systems. It is capable of intercepting aircraft, helicopters, cruise missiles, drones, and precision-guided munitions. The system offers rapid reaction times and high engagement accuracy. Recent deliveries have further strengthened Belarusian defensive capability. The Buk system provides medium-range air defense coverage. It is capable of engaging multiple aerial targets including aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles. Its mobility and flexibility make it a key component of Belarus' layered defense structure. The S-300 family forms the backbone of Belarus' long-range air defense network. These systems provide wide-area protection and can engage targets at significant distances. They are designed to counter aircraft, cruise missiles, and other airborne threats. The S-400 represents the most advanced air defense system currently operated by Belarus. Capable of engaging targets hundreds of kilometers away, it can intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and certain ballistic missile threats. The arrival of the S-400 has significantly expanded Belarus' strategic air defense coverage and deterrence capability. Together, these systems create one of the most formidable air defense networks in Eastern Europe. Belarus continues to modernize its military aviation and air defense forces. The Su-30SM fleet is expected to remain the centerpiece of Belarusian fighter aviation, with additional upgrades and potential future acquisitions improving combat capability. Modernization programs for the MiG-29 and Su-25 fleets will help extend operational life while improving combat effectiveness. Belarus is also investing in radar modernization, electronic warfare capability, command and control systems, and integrated air surveillance networks. Additional deliveries of advanced air defense equipment and closer integration with Russian air defense infrastructure are expected to further strengthen national airspace protection. The country is likely to continue prioritizing air defense as the foundation of its military strategy while maintaining a capable fighter and helicopter force. The Belarusian Air Force and Air Defense Forces may not operate the largest aircraft fleet in Europe, but they remain a highly capable military force built around strong air defense and modern combat aviation. With advanced fighters such as the Su-30SM, proven aircraft like the MiG-29 and Su-25, versatile helicopter units, and powerful systems including the S-400 and Tor-M2K, Belarus maintains a layered defense structure capable of protecting its national airspace. As modernization continues and cooperation with Russia expands, the Belarusian Air Force and Air Defense Forces will remain a key component of the country's security and regional defense posture.